In today's show, we're going to take you through and review the Honor V10. Don't go anywhere because all that is coming up. Hi YouTube and welcome back to MMB Tech TV. If this is your first time, my name is Ryan, and if you want to keep up to date with all things tech, all you need to do is make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Now in today's show, we're going to take you through and review the Honor V10. Now we're very excited here at MMB Tech TV because we've been sent the Honor V10 from our friends at Honor, so thank you very much for sending it in. So that we're going to have a look into the box, we're going to review it, have a look at some of the features and see if it's really worth the money. Now if you've never heard of Honor before, they are the sister company to Huawei. Now if you're familiar to Huawei, they have some brilliant phones that are out there at the moment, and Honor are bringing in some quality mid-range phones that are affordable. So we've gone into it, we've done loads of tests, we've got our Geekbench, our Antutu benchmark tests in there as well, so make sure you stick around and we'll have a look into them in just a short while. So thanks to the guys at Honor, thanks to you, but what we want to know is, have you got any questions about the phone? Do you like it? All you need to do is make sure you get your comment in the box below, and of course if you like what you see, don't forget to smash that like button as well. So what we need to do is delve into the box now and have a look and see what you get with the Honor V10. So here we have the Honor V10, or the View 10 smartphone. Now as you can see, you've got plain and simple packaging, which I'm assuming they've done this to keep the cost down, but where they haven't kept the cost down is what's inside the smartphone. But what we need to do is have a look inside the box first and see exactly what you get. So let's delve in and have a little look. So we have the smartphone, warranty card, USB ultracharge, supercharge even, power brick, and the USB Type-C charger there as well. But these are the key features that you get inside the box, but what we need to do is take a look around the phone and see some of the key features that it has. So the first thing we're greeted by is this gorgeous full HD, full view, 18:9 aspect ratio, 5.99 inch, 2160 by 1080p display. You've got your home button, your volume rocker up and down, your power button and screen lock button, USB Type-C port, single downward facing speaker, you've got your 3.5mm headphone jack, you've got your SIM tray, and of course in there you can put your expandable storage, you've got your earpiece, LED notification light, front facing 13 megapixel camera and sensors, it's got your infrared blaster, and your dual rear camera of 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel camera. Now the features of the phone, it's running on the all-new EMUI 8.0, which is based on technically Android 8.0 Oreo. It's got its Kirin 970 chip, which is the world's most powerful mobile AI processor, which brings you faster and stronger, seamless smartphone experience. It's helped along with the 6GB of RAM. It has various onboard facilities from face unlock, it's got an AI accelerated translator, incredible battery life, NFC, just to name a few. If you want a smartphone that has plenty of storage, then this is the one for you. It has an incredible 128GB, plus you can expand the storage to up to 256GB with an SD card. The phone itself is a huge competitor in the mid-range market, scoring 211293 on the Antutu benchmark test and scoring 1907 on the single core and 6694 on the multi-core on the Geekbench test. It's pretty much on the same level as the OnePlus 5T and the Samsung S8. There are a host of options to take great photos, from wide aperture mode, portrait mode, time-lapse and slow motion, just to name a few. Now the images that come from the Honor V10 are great. They're clear, they're crisp, and the artificial intelligence that the phone itself has, it helps to predict what type of photo you're going to take, and it'll adjust the camera lens accordingly. Now videos are great too, and they come out with some pretty good imagery. Now the front camera is also quite impressive. It also has some Great built-in little quirks from like beauty mode and various different filters as well. Now gaming on this device is great. It is so fast with no lag that I noticed during our testing. Now the battery does get a little warm after a duration of playing, but that would be because of its 3750 milliamp battery. Now we've been looking at the speed of the Honor V10 and it's incredibly fast, and that'll be due to its new Kirin 970 chipset. It handles using all your kind of usual apps like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and switching in between all your different apps with ease. So, overall, what do I think? Overall, this is a great smartphone. If you're looking for a device that performs exceptionally well, then this is it. It handles all the day-to-day tasks with ease. Its battery life means you can last pretty much all day on one single charge and still use all those apps that you normally would without worrying if your battery is going to die halfway through the day. I love all the cool onboard features like the AI Translate and the beauty features on the camera. The beautiful display is really impressive and makes games and videos look exceptional. Its slimline and the metallic finish makes it look premium, and it feels premium in the hand as well. Now, if you can't afford the big high-end brands, then why not choose this one? It's affordable, performs better than some of the high-end brands that are out there, so personally, from me, it is a massive 10 out of 10. So, all in all, it's an excellent mid-range smartphone, and more of that, it's more of an affordable smartphone for you as well, with great gadgets, a brilliant artificial UI as well, and everything that comes with it, and especially it's a storage magnet as well, so you'll never run out of storage on it. So if you want to pick up one, all you need to do is check out the description box below. You can pick them up from places like Amazon, very.co.uk, and directly from Honor's website. But we'll put all the links in the description below, so go and have a look, and why not get yourself one as well. But that is it from us today. Once again, a huge thank you to the guys at Honor for supplying us with the V10. It's been our pleasure having a look at it and having a good old play with it. But what you need to do is make sure you stick around, because of course you can get more of us on the channel here. There's more videos for you, because if you do want to stick around and want to have a look, all you need to do is check out the video you can see on screen now, and if you haven't subscribed already, hit that round subscribe icon. But from me, Ryan, and the rest of us at MMB Tech TV, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon for another episode of MMB Tech TV. Bye bye for now.